My dear students and young friends, today I want to start with a question. How many dreams in this world have been lost not because people were incapable but because they stopped too soon? Think about it for a moment. Every student begins their journey with excitement and hope. They imagine a bright future, a meaningful career, and a life that makes their family proud. But as the journey continues, life starts testing them. Exams become difficult, competition becomes tough, failures appear, pressures increases. And slowly, many young people start believing that maybe their dream is too big or maybe they are not strong enough. But today, I want to remind you of one powerful truth. When you get tired, learn to rest, not quit. Even the strongest person in the world becomes tired sometimes. A marathon runner slows down to catch his breath. A soldier rests before going back to the battlefield. Even the sun sets every evening, but it rises again the next morning with the same power. Resting is not weakness, resting is part of the journey. But quitting is something different. When you quit, you stop believing in your dream. When you quit, you stop trusting your own strength, and the world loses the greatness that was inside you. My dear students, every great person in history faced moments when the road became difficult. They failed exams, they faced rejections, they experienced doubt, but they had one powerful habit. Whenever they felt tired, they paused, gathered their strength, and continued their journey. They did not allow temporary difficulties to destroy their permanent dreams. Life is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the path is smooth and easy, but sometimes the road becomes steep and challenging. Your legs may feel weak, your mind may feel confused. At that moment, you have two choices. One choice is to look at the difficulty and say, "This is too hard, I cannot continue." But the second choice is to take a deep breath, rest for a moment, and then take the next step. And step by step, you move closer to the top.